show you how to make this amazing paper airplane I designed today, and it is called the Night Glider. All you need to make a night glider is an A4 size paper. So first fold this edge to this edge. Open it up, then turn it like this. And now we're going to fold this edge to this crease. And repeat on the other side. Now we're going to hold down these folds so they don't slide, and we're going to fold this edge to the middle line. And repeat on the other side. Like this. Now we're going to fold this point down to this point where this crease right over here touches this edge. Now we're going to fold this edge to this center crease. Now we're going to fold this part up as far as it goes and then fold it back down, and now we're going to just we have this point right over here. We're just going to fold it to where this crease right over here, the center crease, crosses with this crease we just made. And then fold it up to lock the layers like this, and then fold it in half. Now we're going to make the wings. So the wing crease will start from right about here, and we will make sure that this edge touches this edge like this. As you can see over here, this edge touches this edge, and then you can crease, and then flip the paper over and repeat on this side. And then open it up like this, a little bit, not that much, and your plane is ready. And when you throw the plane, you need to hold it gently like this, so these two edges touch a little bit. Do not hold it very tightly, or the wings will bend like this. And you don't need to bend these edges, just bend it a little bit, but so if your plane dives down, if you bend it, your plane will not dive anymore. It will go straight. And the thing I love about this plane is that sometimes plane, when you throw a paper airplane and it crashes into a wall, the tip of the plane gets completely destroyed and the plane doesn't fly anymore because of that. But no matter how you throw this plane into a wall, the tip will not get destroyed. See? It's not getting destroyed. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, you can give it a like and subscribe to my channel to find more amazing origami contents like this, and see you guys later. Bye.